Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. Happy Sunday. It's been a great day for me. I'm a little bit tired, a little bit winded from yesterday. But anyways, something arrived in the mail for me. And I was kind of shocked that it came, and what came in the mail are these. Now, these are the AOMAIS Bluetooth earbuds. And just judging by the diagram on the box, it basically has like a neck support to rest on your neck. I don't think they're retractable, but we're going to find out when we open this sucker up. So, a couple things to do and note about it. This is a company I have not heard of, but I've heard good things about. Shout out to Mike from Budget Tech Reviews for basically getting me connected, and shout out to Lily Fan for reaching out to me and giving me insight on their products and sending me out this review unit. It's pretty awesome. So basically what this is, the model number is the AOMAIS X, and it supports a Bluetooth version 4.1. Charging time is about like an hour and a half. The transmission off of these is about 10 meters, which is 33 feet, and the battery capacity is 160 milliamps. So it is a lithium battery here. If you guys want to check out the website itself, just go to www.aomais, so AOMAIS.com, and you can check out what they have, because I believe they also have like portable Bluetooth speakers and stuff like that. And the portable Bluetooth speakers I'm really interested in because they are water resistant, and obviously, you know, I'll be going to the pool and stuff like that. So got a knife here to basically cut the silicone off. I was actually looking online to see, because like, you know, other YouTubers have like their special unboxing knife. I seen one that was the Green Ranger Dragon Dagger, and I really want to get that. So maybe next time I do an unboxing, I'll have the Dragon Dagger. Alright, so we got that silicone off. Let's go ahead and open this up and just kind of see what we have inside here. So you get the Bluetooth headset. I like the packaging already so far, and you get extra ear cushions. That is awesome, and I love the color of these. So that's already a win-win right there. And you get some paperwork. So let me put that box away. I keep all the boxes, so I like the products that I get. So let's see right here. What do you get? Protect your purchase, 1 year hassle-free. So it comes with a warranty. Register now and get a 10% off coupon for your next purchase. So that's always awesome. And yeah. It looks like that, I mean, judging from the card itself, you know, as a person that looks like they work in a call center, they may have more than just, you know, Bluetooth speakers and Bluetooth earbuds and headphones and whatnot. They may also like support businesses. So here's a quick start guide right here. So I'll be kind of like turning through this just to see like different things, and yeah. So put that off to the side. Ear cushions, you know, for different sizes, and we'll go ahead and take this out of whoa, that just kind of popped me in the face. Okay, so that comes out. Nice way to get that out. Oh wow. Okay. So yeah, you got a USB charger, and it is micro USB. So I can see that micro USB, which is good because you always have like a micro USB charger. If you have a power bank, like Type C is becoming readily available just about anywhere. But yeah, so here they are. Got some good length to them, and they're not retractable, but they are magnetic. Check that out. That is nice. So even though whoa, my voice is cracking. Even though that they are not retractable, they are magnetic, so the chances of you dropping these could be very slim, based upon the fact. And what it looks like right here, it looks like there's a microphone. So I kind of dig that, because I think like with the microphone being over here on most headphones, because this part will move, it kind of just, you know, really messes up audio pickup, the quality of it when you're walking. So it's nice to know that it's on the neck support, so it'll be a little bit more sturdy and stable. You have your volume up, your volume down, and your select, so you can control things from it. So that's a really, really nice touch. And I love that it's not, I love that it is actually flexible. So this, to me, is gonna feel pretty comfortable if I put it around my neck. Just like so, and it hangs right there. Yeah. So let's take it up to FaceTime real quick, and we'll go more of the review. So right now I have it pretty much like taken up my neck and everything, and it doesn't feel that it's going to be of a nuisance. You know, like you have like certain things and you'll wear it and you can just automatically tell just by like the material that they used, and also just like the build quality of it. It could be a nuisance when you're wearing it on your neck. These right here, they don't feel like they're going to be a nuisance to me. I don't really feel them on me. They're light, so that's a big thumbs up in my book, because I don't want to feel like I'm wearing a chain or anything like that as I'm walking around. And then these 2 points, the magnets in them are really good, so they really keep them nice and clasped together. So I feel like they're not going to accidentally fall off or anything. So that's a good thing. Let's go ahead and pair this thing, and I'm going to listen to some samples and tell you guys what I think about it. Okay, so I got them powered on, and it's got something that I really like about it. And then there's one caveat that I found to it. So the thing I really like about it is that when you power it on, you don't just get a beep, it actually tells you it's powering on, which I can really appreciate, you know, just for it just being like having like a virtual voice that says powering on. And when you connect it, then it tells you it's connecting. So that's really good. So at least you know you are establishing a connection with these. They are, and I actually just, you know, I feel like a bonehead because they do have a subname, so they are known as the Freedom. So the AOMAIS Freedom, just to get you guys up to speed on it. So I have it paired with my phone right now. It pairs with the Moto G6 Play. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some music and just kind of check out the audio quality from them. And as I'm listening to the music, I'll go ahead and tell you guys what I think about them, because right now I have them pretty much set in. They do have an indicator to tell you which one's the left and which one's the right. So that's always good for people. And I'm gonna play something that's gonna have like a mix of like bass, high pitched sounds and stuff like that, just so I can get all the different types. And the cool thing is that even though these things are in my ear, I can hear pretty well. Like it doesn't really muffle out the sound where you feel like you can't tell which your vocal volumes are. So that's why I'm not yelling across the room. Alright, so let's play something from here. I have the volume midway, and already I can hear like some super clarity out of these things. Like it doesn't feel flat or anything like that. Like I can already hear the richness of the audio, and so that's always a good thing. So the bass seems on point for me. Whoa! I did not expect the bass to be like that. Like the bass, you can feel it and hear it, but it doesn't distort the speaker. I can keep the volume with these things at like 56%, and it's loud enough for me to hear. The treble is there, so you can hear like all the mids, the ranges of the mids is there. It almost feels like that it has like a mini woofer, a mid, and tweeters built into the speaker. So anyhow guys, that is the review of the AOMAIS Freedom Bluetooth Earbuds that I am super excited. Thank you again to AOMAIS for sending these out to me to do a review on. I really appreciate it. And not to go and just like tell people like get it just to get it, but I mean, if this is something that people would ask, would I recommend people picking up? I definitely would say so. The audio quality just really surprised me, as you guys, watched. And I mean, obviously I couldn't play that now for you guys. I was listening to it in my ears, but it really surprised me on the quality of it. And as I stated, it almost felt like that it had, a tweeter, a mid, and a subwoofer just inside these little tiny earbuds. And that's a good thing. You want to have audio enrichments just like that. And so for me, that's something that I'm like, yes, this is a go. This is a go. Thumbs up on it. Stamp of approval for me. I definitely would say, if you're looking for something like this, if you're gonna go jogging, if you go to the gym, definitely pick you up one of these. Again, you can go to the website. I'll put the website link in the description. Lily, thank you so much for getting in touch with me and communicating with me about products and setting me out this one. I'm really, really, really thankful for it. And I may pick up a Bluetooth, water-resistant Bluetooth speaker and review that. This company is really a go. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, I know it's kind of long, but I don't like to just do a little quick unboxing and review. I like to kind of just really mess it up a little bit. But if you guys enjoyed the video, drop me a like to let me know. If you guys want any more information, I will definitely make a follow-up. And yeah, so just put some questions in the comment section and I'll answer them in the next video. And I'm going to use this out for a week, and next weekend I'll have a full-blown review on them. So I'll talk to you guys later. Aloha.